are live now. All right. Can you hear me, guys? We are live now. All right. Welcome to today's session where we're going to have a live market analysis. All right. If you're watching this, please let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. Okay, if you're watching this, let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. Okay. So we just do some live market analysis on Euro USD. Where do we see markets going next from here? And I would be, you know, I'll be talking from the place of market structure, okay, support and resistance zones, and candlestick. All right, as we look closely into it. So we do a top-down market analysis. A top-down market analysis from the higher time frame. We do a top-down market analysis from the higher time frame. Then we look at the lower time frame. Then we go lower into each of these time frames. So from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame to the daily time frame to the 4 hours time frame to the 1 hour time frame. All right. So on the monthly time frame of Euro USD now, we want to understand what is the current market structure. Okay, we have an overall downtrend here. Then let's map out key levels of support and resistance. Okay, let me change it to a line chart to be able to spot out these levels. Okay, key levels of support and resistance. Key levels of support and resistance. Okay, so from what we can see now, we can see that market is currently at the support zone, right? Market is currently at the support zone at this level. So we can see that in the last 3 months candle, after we saw this doji candle, okay, indicating market reversal, and we can see our price pumped up here. So for doji candles are like equilibrium candles, okay, they pass a message that shows that demand is equal to supply. All right, a doji appears only when demand is equal to supply. Okay, so if we now look at here, we saw our price pushed up after this doji appeared on a support zone. So when we see a doji on a support zone, okay, when we see a doji on a support zone here, it indicates that there would be a market reversal. All right, and we saw the market reversal came in here. Now let's go down to the weekly time frame. Okay, let's go down to the weekly time frame. So here we have the weekly time frame. We can see how price consolidated here. So it looks like the weekly time frame consolidated between this line and this line. We see how price consolidated at this level and finally broke upwards. All right. Before markets move, high is 2023 up until this point, and we can see here that because our focus has to be on the current price movement, based on the few past historical movements. So here now we have to map out levels of support and resistance here to spot out levels where if price gets to, it will most definitely respect that level. Okay, can we see that? So we can see that this level is a support zone. All right, strong support zone. This level as well is another strong support zone, and this level here is another strong resistance zone. Okay, so this is where we have to keep our eyes on. All right, we keep our eyes on the price movement within these levels. So we've been able to spot out this resistance zone above here, and be able to spot out this support zone here and this other support zone below. Okay, so that's telling us that you can see that most definitely the support zone played out its critical role when price got to this level, and we can saw a pin bar was formed, and a pin bar at a support zone indicates just one thing: market reversal. When you see a pin bar at a support zone or a resistance zone, it indicates what? Market reversal. All right, so here we can see that now we have our resistance zone above, we have our first support zone, our second support zone. So this is a level where if price comes down here, and breaks out of it, then this is the next level of support we are looking at that might hold price or push price, back up. All right. So we've been able to spot this out. So let's go down to the daily time frame now. The daily time frame. Now we can see that on the daily time frame, the lower the time frame, the clearer the picture of the most current activity going on in the market. All right, when we look at the lower the time frame, the more clearer the picture of what is currently going on in the market. So we've been coming from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame. Now we are at the daily time frame. We are seeing what is happening within the days. All right, so now clearly we can see how this level of support has held strong at this level, pushed price back up, how it has held strong at this level as well. All right, so this support zone might now be the zone we are looking at to see if price comes down to this level, then we might see a push up. However, when you look at it on the daily time frame here now, you would see that there was previously a support zone here. Okay, this region here can see a support zone here where price pushed back up. So what are we expecting at this level where price is currently sitting? all right, on this minor support zone. Okay, would price hold at this minor support zone and reverse back up? Okay, so that's also very important criteria to look into. All right. So here we can see this is the daily time frame now. So now what am I seeing on this daily time frame? And I want you to see it as well. So you can see that price had touched this level, was rejected. Price came here, touched this level, was rejected. Now on this daily time frame, let's look at the last three candles. Okay, the last three candles have been given some some both buy and sell pressure. Okay, mostly sell pressure at this level. Okay, we can see this candlestick opened up here, followed by this candlestick that had so much sell pressure. Okay, and now we can see that at this level here is one very important levels to watch. Okay, this level here. Now you saw how price has been rejected severally at this level, which means there were a lot of sell orders at this level that pushed price down. Okay, now what are we expecting of price to do at this level? Now what I expect of price to do at this level, number one, if price holds strong, okay, if price holds strong at this level, there might be a little consolidation, okay, and then a push up in price. If price does not hold strong at this level and it falls to this level, there might be a consolidation at this level and a further push up in price. Now if we look at the overall market trend which we spotted on the monthly time frame, and we see the momentum that is coming in, okay, and we see the momentum that is coming in, we can see clearly that it is a buy momentum coming in. We can see clearly that a buy momentum is what is coming in at this level. So we see that a doji was formed here, all right, indicating market reversal. A doji at a support level indicates market reversal, and then you can see the buy momentum that comes in here, in the following week, followed by the following month where we had another buy momentum, and then January now we are having a retracement, okay, away from the previous resistance zone. You can see it now. Price got to this resistance zone and was pushed back. Now that has not eradicate the fact that this buy momentum is still very much present, okay, where we can see the buyers pushing up price up until this level. Now when you look at the buying power that came up to this level, you definitely know that it's so much buying power, because you can see a longer wick to the downside, okay, and a body to the upside. All right, that shows you the buy pressure coming in. And now this week is not yet over, of course, and this month is not yet over, but when price got to the resistance zone here, okay, which it got to last month, so this month it had to retest, all right, which is like the one of the one of the things you would see is part of the price action, okay, where you see that once price get to resistance level, it respects that level by first retracing, all right, before taking another leg upper, or sorry, taking another leg higher, okay, to retest that level that was rejected from and break out from it. Okay, so there's so much buy momentum coming in on the higher time frame, and on the monthly time frame now we can see that price is equally at a level where price is equally at a level where the buy momentum is still very much possible, okay, because it's at a support zone. All right, this is a minor support zone here at this level. Let me draw up something so you can see it. This is a minor support zone here. Okay, this is a minor support zone here. This is a major support zone here. So if price does not reject at this support zone, that is pushing back up, if price comes down to this next support zone, then price will still definitely push back up. All right, so what position am I taking on this trade? I am buying Euro USD from this support zone. Okay, I'm buying Euro USD from this support zone. All right, so I'm buying Euro USD from this support zone at this level. Okay, so we can see the rejections coming in. Then for those who might like to wait for confirmation, one of the confirmation I will just give to you that can validate the upside movement of this market is to watch out for a market close above this level. Okay, watch out for market close above this level. Let me get it to be more thick. Okay, good. It's okay. Now, yeah, if the market comes up here, if price comes up here and closes above this level, then it's a valid buy. All right, so for me, I'm taking a buy at this level. All right, in fact, I have a position running already from this buy zone. Okay, from this zone I have a position running. So currently market is at a demand zone. Okay, and we'll take another leg upwards. All right, so this is the daily time frame. Let's go down to the 4 hours time frame for intraday traders to see what is actually going on. So we can see here that now how market has been consolidating here at this level. You can see. So now one of the things that moved price down to this level today was the news. Okay, let's check out the news that came out today. So today is Thursday 25th. We can see that a news came out on Euro USD, Euro at 2:15 p.m. West African time on main refinancing rates and also monetary policy statement. All right, another news came out at 2:30 p.m. West African time on the USD advanced GDP quarter on quarter. All right, and unemployment claims, which happen to be negative. Okay, so we can see that the news came as a result. The price movement you see came as a result of this news. All right, showing that unemployment claims increased. Okay, so if unemployment claim increased, okay, is a bad signal for the currency. All right, is a bad signal for the currency because now more people are claiming not to have jobs. All right, more people are claiming not to have jobs. Okay, which is telling us that more people are claiming not to be earning, not to be making money, and of course, which means less the more the unemployment, the lower the circulation of money. All right, so it's giving a gave a very bad signal. All right, which is going to weaken the dollar. Okay, however, you can see that this news came up on advanced GDP, which was positive, came out at 3.3%. You know, this just measures like, it said analyze change in the inflation adjusted via adjusted value of all goods and services produced by the economy. Okay, so and we can see that the actual rate is higher than the forecasted rate, which is good for the currency. All right, which is good for the currency. So we have, both good and bad news for the USD. So when both news came out now, we saw that the dollar went down, okay, and currently at this level. All right, so but if we now would not last, all right, and we are expecting price to push up further, all right, to push up further on this level. So if you are a position trader, your confirmation comes from the monthly time frame, where where we can obviously see that um you know the doji candle was formed here, and the buy momentum came in on in November and in December, and then December price got to a resistance zone, and January price retested. That's telling you that the bullish momentum is not yet over on Euro USD. So we might see price break out of this resistance zone in in the next few months. All right, so good. So now back to the daily time frame. I think, yeah, back to the daily time frame, we can see price still receiving some rejection at this level. All right, so I've bought at this level. So you want to also look into it and take your position at the level that is according to your analysis and according to the risk that you can take. So let's go down to the 4 hours time frame. All right, so when you look at this on the 4 hours time frame now, you definitely see that price has been taking up, a buy momentum to the upside, from what we can see here. And then we saw that the news came in, changed the direction of the market. Then we saw that the market is currently sitting at a support zone. Okay, even though this zone is a minor support zone, but also very important zone to watch out for, um, because you can see how price has, been rejected, having touched that level. You can see how price has been rejected, having touched, that level. So definitely we we are seeing this as one of those price action moments where price coming to the support zone might be rejected. Another level of support zone we are looking at, if price eventually breaks out of this level, is this level here. All right, the level between 1.07716 and 1.07331. All right, so that is the level that we are looking at from here. So what am I expecting price to do from here? Let's take a look at what happened at this level here. Okay, so you can see how price, I'm trying to zoom in on that particular spot. Okay, good. So you can see how price has been consolidating here. Okay, and you know you can see how price consolidated at this level, and finally then price picked up from here. So we might see similar scenario play out at this level as well. Might see similar scenario play out at this level as price is consolidating. At this level, we might see price have a pickup from this level up back to this resistance zone. Okay, you know before then deciding to maybe consolidate a bit. Might just see price consolidate a bit here and then finally break out of this level. All right. So on the short for intraday traders now, we might want to look out for price pushing up higher from this level up until this level. All right. So for intraday traders, for me, I'm bullish. I'm buying at this level. Okay, and optimistic that the price would go up. All right, let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so one of the important things of lower time frames is to help us to see what is currently going on in the market. All right, the lower time frame helps us to see what is currently going on in the market. So we can see here now that price picking up at this level. Okay, so we can just say this level is a level of consolidation. Let me make this lighter. Okay, so we can see how price is still currently ranging at this level. All right, price is still currently ranging at this level, and what am I anticipating to see from this level is a breakout from here. Okay, and a touch up on this next resistance zone. Okay, so yeah, I'm buying Euro USD at this level. All right, if you have any question, please do all to drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, please do all to drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, please do all to drop it in the comment section. All right, Francis, you're welcome. Sir Francis from Enugu, you're welcome. If you have any question, please do all to drop it in the comment section. I'm waiting for you. If you have any question with regards to what I've explained on Euro USD, please do all to use the comment section, ask your question, and I'm very happy to answer you. All right, so please do all to answer to ask your question. All right, who is asking? All right, so yeah, in absence of no question, we might just try to look into analyzing another pair. Let's look at gold. So we might just look at gold. Let's look at gold. Gold. Interesting. So, from the monthly time frame now, we want to begin to look into market structure and also the levels, resistance, and support zones. So, when you look into this, So we can see levels of support and resistance being created here. Okay, so on the monthly time frame already now, we can see that gold has broken out of a major resistance zone, of a key resistance zone. One of the exciting things, because for gold traders now, it's a good position. All right, it's a good position, and now we can see price coming to a level that I'm going to call the money spot. All right, we can see price coming to a level where I'm going to call the money spot. Okay, so we can see price coming here. Now let's go down to the weekly time frame. Okay, we can see now that obviously we can see price having consolidated here, finally broke out of this zone, and now is back to retest that level. All right, is back to retest that level. Okay, so gold got to its all-time high, overall all-time high. If you look at it 6 months back, gold is at got its overall all-time high. Okay, overall all-time high. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. So now we are at that level where okay, good. So you can see that we are at that level where gold has not gotten to that level for a long time, and now it got to that level in 2023. Yes, its overall all-time high in 2023, and that was December 2023. Overall all-time high was around 2,134.3 US dollars, okay, to 1 bar of gold. All right, and we saw how gold retraced back to the support the resistance zone with which it was broken out from. Now the resistance is acting as support, because if you look at it in the last 4 to 5 weeks now, when it retraced, it was pushed back. We can see that each of these candles have some wicks, a downward part here that shows the buy pressure, that came in and still pushing back price upwards. All right, so now what do we do with this opportunity we have in front of us? Let's go down to the daily time frame. Okay, so now on the daily time frame here, now we can see that a breakout has occurred, a retracement has happened. So what do we do from here? All right, for me, what I'll be doing here is I'll be setting a buy order. At this level. All right, I'll be setting a buy order at this level. And what level is that? Let me get the price. I'll be setting a buy order at 2030.20 USD. All right, so after gold has played around here for a while and decides to come up, then my buy order is triggered. All right, now my next take profit level will definitely be the next resistance zone up above here. All right, so my next take profit level would be here. Okay, good. This will be my next take profit level. Why is my next take profit level at this level? Because this is the level, the next resistance zone. How I set my stop loss and take profit, I set them at at support and resistance zone. So my take profit here will be at the next resistance zone, which is here, and my stop loss will be at the next support zone or a little below it, which is here. Okay, awesome. Now let's go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the market is saying, what price is saying. So from here we can see that price had been rejected at this level 4 hours ago, and currently price still came down to this level again. All right, now this previous rejection that set in is only an indication of the buy orders at this level, okay, being triggered, pushing price higher. All right, pushing price higher. So I would be taking position to buy the gold at this level, like I said, and my take profit will be here, the next support zone. All right, good. Let's look at gold on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, my decision still remains the same. Once gold breaks out of this level of resistance, this level of minor resistance, and then I'll decide to start buying from this level. All right, if you have any question with regards to my analysis on gold, please do well to drop it in the comment section and let's engage. Okay, if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, we've made an analysis on Euro USD. We've done another analysis on the gold market, and this is an opportunity for you to position yourself in the market. Also be aware of your risk, okay? Don't risk, don't take too much risk, that will get your account bonds, okay? So you want to take your risk according to the size of your capital. All right, so do well to use stop loss when needed, and also use your take profit order whenever needed. So thank you so much for joining Octa on this channel to join us on the live trading session, and I believe that you've got so much value. Please do well to smash the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we are having any of our webinars in the future. And don't forget to always stay in tune and join us for each of our webinars on this channel. Thank you very much for joining, and stay profitable. Bye guys.